window shades like this can be great for providing privacy and blocking out sunlight, but they can be problematic.
One of the biggest problems with window shades like this is that they have a tendency to pop out of the brackets. In fact, I've been having that trouble with this one here, as you can see.
I can tell.
Now, the problem with them popping out like that is that the shade has a pin at the end. And originally, it was a much longer pin. But over the course of time, it gets sheared off just from spinning in the bracket.
Can you buy replacement pins?
You can't buy replacement pins, but I was looking at it and I realized it's about the same size as an 8-penny nail. So this is the repair, and it's really pretty quick and easy. First, get a pair of pliers, just yank out the old pin. It's just hammered into a little plastic plug. And then get an 8-penny nail and tap that in. Leave about a ½ inch or so sticking out. Then cut off, got that? Cut off the head. And again, tap in, leave about a ½ inch or so sticking out. And then slip in the round end first, and then that has a flat pin. And that fits right in that bracket. And you're good as new.
Boy, that's perfect, and that's a lot cheaper than buying a new shade.
Absolutely. This 36-inch wide shade for this size window is about $20, and we repaired it for just the cost of a single nail.